India. India is a country with an amazing variety of cultures, religions, languages, the great-grandmother of tradition. In this video, we'll take a look at 13 interesting facts about ancient India. Number 1. Yoga has its origins in India and has existed for over 5,000 years. Number 2. Sushruta is regarded as the father of surgery. Over 2,600 years ago, Sushruta and his team conducted complicated surgeries like cataracts, artificial limbs, cesareans, fractures, urinary stones, plastic surgery, and brain surgeries. Number 3. Martial arts were first created in India and later spread to Asia by Buddhist missionaries. Number 4. The 58 feet tall Gamachwara statue at Shravanabelagola, Karnataka, is the world's largest monolith statue. Number 5. The world's first granite temple is the Brihadeswara Temple at Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. The shikara of the temple is made from a single 80-ton piece of granite. This magnificent temple was built in just 5 years, between 1004 AD and 1009 AD, during the reign of Rajaraja Chola. Number 6. When many cultures were only nomadic forest dwellers over 5,000 years ago, Indians established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley, Indus Valley Civilization. Number 7. Chess was invented in India. Number 8. Algebra, trigonometry, and calculus are studies, which originated in India. Number 9. The place value system and the decimal system were developed in India in 100 BC. Number 10. Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to mankind. The father of medicine, Charaka, consolidated Ayurveda 2,500 years ago. Number 11. India was one of the richest countries till the time of British rule in the early 17th century. Christopher Columbus, attracted by India's wealth, had come looking for a sea route to India when he discovered America by mistake. Number 12. Bhaskar Acharya rightly calculated the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. According to his calculation, the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun was 365.258756484 days. Number 13. The four religions born in India, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, are followed by 25% of the world's population. If you like this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up.